In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Telegram SMS fee. If Telegram is asking you for an SMS verification code and you notice a fee, the first thing to understand is that this charge usually does not come from Telegram itself. In most cases, the fee is coming from your mobile carrier, especially if the message is treated as an international or premium SMS. Knowing that can help you focus on the right fix instead of troubleshooting the wrong thing. One of the easiest ways to avoid the charge is to use the Telegram app code instead of requesting an SMS. If you're already logged into Telegram on another device, open the app on that device and look for a message from Telegram containing your login code. Then enter that code on the device you're trying to sign into. This method is often the best option because it can help you bypass SMS charges completely and usually works faster than waiting for a text message. If that option is not available, try using a different verification method. On the Telegram login screen, enter your phone number as usual, then wait to see whether Telegram offers another way to verify your account. Depending on your setup, you may see options like an in-app code or phone call verification. If one of those alternatives appears, choose it instead of SMS. This can be especially helpful if your carrier charges for certain text messages or if SMS delivery is unreliable in your area. Another important step is to contact your mobile carrier if you are being charged every time you receive verification texts. Ask them whether they charge for international or premium SMS messages and request details about exactly what the fee is for. You can also ask whether that charge can be disabled or blocked on your line. Since the fee typically comes from the carrier side, they are the best source for a clear explanation. If you use a dual SIM phone, check your SIM settings carefully. Make sure the SIM card connected to your Telegram number is active and set as the default for SMS. If the wrong SIM is selected, the code may fail to arrive properly or trigger confusion during verification. Once you confirm the correct SIM is active, request the code again. If you keep seeing an SMS fee message, remember that some carriers charge for receiving or sending verification texts, while Telegram generally does not charge for receiving login codes. And if your code is not arriving at all, check your signal, restart your phone, and wait a few minutes before requesting another code. Those simple checks can often solve the issue.